Looking for an program installer monitor or recorder. Is there an application out there that can record what file and registry changes are made when you install a program?
Procmon by Microsoft sysinternals will allow you to record, filter, and view all registry and file changes. Run it prior to starting the installer to see an exhaustive list. It's probably not the easiest thing around, but it is thorough.
Yes, there are several programs like this. The best one I have found is Total Uninstaller, which I use to see what the installer does and how the installed program is organized, so that I can try making it into a portable app, through various means. It's not free, but it is not expensive, and there is a free trial. Another useful program to just check registry changes is Regshot, which is free and open source.
Snoops is probably not enough, but I've often used it when installing if I intend to copy off every installed file. You'd probably want to use it with Procmon for the full effects of any install. There are a bunch of clean uninstallers such as Revo, but they don't tell you what needs undoing, they just do it.
I have always used and prefer PC Magazine's Inktroll 5. It was specifically designed for this purpose and does it pretty well and is quite configurable to weed out irrelevant stuff. Unfortunately, ZDNet started charging for the previously free PC Mag utility several years ago, but you can probably find a copy that someone got before it went for pay, and as far as I know, it should be legal since that copy was free. Another one that I like, I've tried well over a dozen, is Zoft Uninstaller. It too is free.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.